Hi, I wanted to share with you my cocoa bar that I did for Christmas. I love it. And just show you, give you some ideas for your own. I used a sleigh and put all my mugs in it. My spices, I made these little signs. I got the plaques at, I believe, Hobby Lobby a while ago and just used my silhouette to cut out some labels for the syrups. And then I have some peppermint marshmallows in here and some vanilla marshmallows in here. Then as far as my cocoa and coffee, I have found the best cocoa for a Keurig is this Grove Square hot cocoa, and I'll put a link to it so you can order that if you like it. And then also I love minty stuff, so this Junior Mint cocoa is pretty good too. And then I have my favorite coffee. I don't know if I can put a link to this or not, but I love Dutch Brothers coffee out of the Pacific Northwest, out of Grants Pass, Oregon. That's just a personal favorite of mine. And I have some coffee ready to go. Over on this side, I have some little mini mugs for little people who come to visit so they can have some cocoa. And then I just have some ginger cookies in here, some English toffee in there, and then of course the little gingerbread house. And in these shakers I have sprinkles, so you can put sprinkles on your hot cocoa. So that just gives you a little idea of something cute and creative you can make for the holidays, and I hope you enjoy.